Welcome to the handsome Southgate Complex, a full-service co-op located on a private tree-lined cul-de-sac at East 52nd Street between First Avenue and the East River. Hi, I'm Diana Rice with Sotheby's International Realty. Please join me for a tour of the beautiful apartment 3J. The expansive open floor plan makes entertaining guests a breeze, and the combined living, dining, and kitchen area enjoys a side view of the landscaped residence garden. The recently renovated kitchen was designed by a professional chef. It features a breakfast bar, new stainless steel Miele and Bosch appliances, and custom cabinetry. The primary bedroom suite blends comfort and serenity. The second and third bedrooms are also pin-drop quiet and share a large, newly renovated bathroom. The spacious bonus room, currently a den, would make a fantastic playroom or expanded work-from-home space. Amenities include 24-hour doorman, live-in super, private landscaped garden, playground, bike room, recreation room, and local residents are all looking forward to the completion of the East Midtown Waterfront project, which will provide waterfront access and open green space for pedestrians and cyclists. It's a great time to buy in the neighborhood. Thank you for joining us today. Please contact me directly for a private tour.